What is typography? Typography is the art and technique of arranging type in order to make language visible. The main concepts of text include the following. Typeface. Typeface is a set of one or more fonts, each composed of different design elements that share common design features, which basically means they are different fonts. Point size. Point size is the actual height of the letters in the font, so basically the size of your font. Line length. It is the width occupied by a block of text that fits a certain design. Leading. Leading is the space in between lines of text. Letter spacing. Letter spacing is the distance in between letters in a word. And last but not least, type design. Type design is the overall make, style, and design of the font itself. So now, what are advertisements? They are any controlled message communicated in any medium with the intent to influence behavior. They create wants and diminish needs. So how do advertisements and typography have anything to do with each other? Text/typography, also known as anchorage, is something that connects the image/contents to the overall meaning of the advertisement. Take a look at this photo. Just by looking at it, it's very hard to understand what the advertisement's true intent is. When you then look at this photo, you can see that text has been added. You can tell that it now makes sense. It states that an unwashed vegetable can become a deadly weapon, which makes the photo more understanding. Now that we have looked at text itself, what about font? How does font affect the overall meaning of the ad? Take a look at this ad. Look how the text fits with the overall theme of the advertisement. When you then change the font, it doesn't match well. Then by looking at them beside each other, you can tell again which one fits better. When I asked 20 people which advertisement they liked more, all 20 of them said this version. When asked why they liked this font better, they said that it looked better, felt better, went along with the overall meaning of the advertisement, looked more professional, and made the product more appealing to the viewer. Now what about text placement? Take a look at this ad and where its text is placed. Then what happens when you move the text? When you compare the two text placements side by side, you can clearly see that the one on the right suits the ad better. When the text is placed here, it is in line with the can shape, so that way they connect. When the same 20 people were asked which advertisement they liked better, 18 out of the 20 liked this one. When asked why they liked this ad better, they said that it filled in the spaces in the ad, looked more visually appealing, and looked more professional. In the end, typography has a major effect on advertisements. They tie the image and the meaning of the ad together. With the font, change the overall feeling of the ad, and the ad is also affected on where the text is placed.
And your tears dry. Get on without your guy.